100 words per minute. Elaboration second paper, August 2017. 5 seconds. Comments. 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Commissioner, Puducherry Municipality, Puducherry, for the construction of a public latrine in TV Nagar near the overhead tank in Puducherry. The estimated cost of the work is rupees 90,000 and earnest money deposit of rupees 1,000 is required. Tender forms can be obtained from the office of the Assistant Engineer, Municipal Office, Puducherry, during office hours up to 3 p.m. on 4th April 2017 on payment of rupees 100. Tenders will be received up to 4 p.m. on 5th April and opened at 5 p.m. on the same day. The Commissioner reserves the right to accept or reject any or all tenders without giving any reasons. Therefore, draft tender notice to be issued by the Commissioner of Puducherry Municipality. 2. A progressive marketing organization requires sales representatives for Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Candidates should be graduates with a flair for selling. They should have thorough knowledge of the local language. They should be below 30 years of age. They should have 2 years of experience in selling consumer products. They will be paid salary of rupees 30,000 per month and a transport allowance of rupees 2,000 per month. They will be called for an interview in Chennai on a date to be intimated in due course. Applications should be sent within 15 days of this advertisement to box number 300, care of The Hindu, Chennai. Draft advertisement. 3. A 74-year-old woman died after a speeding car ran over her near Rajbhavan when she was trying to cross the road at noon on Tuesday. She was a resident of Saidapet. She was standing near the main entrance of Rajbhavan, Gindi. She stepped ahead to cross the road. Suddenly, a speeding car coming from Adayar hit her. She was severely injured on the head and died on the way to Government Rayapeta Hospital. The driver of the car, an ex-serviceman residing in Avadi, has been remanded by officers of the Gindi Traffic Investigation Wing. The victim is survived by her husband and 2 children. Policemen say that there is lack of facility for the pedestrians to cross the road and that this is the one of the main reasons for the accidents near Rajbhavan. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.